How's Life Cubers, and today I'm going to be doing some Rubik's Cube magic. And no, I'm not Steven Brundage, that's a different type. I'm doing this on YouTube, he's live. Let's just get into the video. So first off, let's start with Cube Self Heroes, famous, you'll see. So basically, I think how it works is, what? This is not, I'm confused. Wait, 1 second. So let me get Cube Self Heroes number. Yep. Yeah, is this Cube Self Hero? Yeah, so basically, I need you to teach me how to do the tricks you do on your channel. You can't do that? Why not? They're a trade secret. Okay, you know what? Let me strike a deal with you. Wait, what? He cut the goal. Anyway, we'll have to learn how to do this ourselves. So this is my finished trick, and I'm going to start with it now. That actually worked. Well, yeah, wait. I need 12 edge pieces. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Okay, I'll see. I've got to have all the corners. Okay, I have 4 edge pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corner pieces. How many corner pieces are there in a Rubik's Cube? 5, 6, 7. There are 8. I'm missing corner pieces. Okay, so what's his number again? Yep, his number. Yeah. Is this Cube Self Hero? Yeah, I'm not gonna ask you how I did the trick. I'm sort of missing corner pieces and edge pieces for my very expensive Gen X. I might need your help with that. And he got the goal again. Well, let's get on to the next trick, and I suggest do not try this at home, as you might lose pieces from your very expensive Rubik's Cube. So, in this trick, I'm going to be making this 2x2 into a 3x3, and then into a 4x4. So, hopefully that goes out well. So, hey, that wasn't too bad. So, let's try 4x4. That is amazing. This trick really works. Okay, now I need my 2x2 because I'm competing in an online comp. So, well, this was supposed to work. Okay, is it wrong side, maybe? I don't know. This was going good. Are you kidding me? Okay, let's get on to the next trick. And guys, for my final trick of the day, I'm going to be making all of these Rubik's Cubes disappear. So do not try this at home, or else you might make your cube disappear forever, which obviously we don't want. Guys, this is really hard work. Whew. Flexing my wrists a bit. 3, 2, 4. 3, 2, 1. Voila. I'm like the best magician in the world. Now I just need them back. And guys, it's just a matter of the flick of the wrist. So if you want to bring it back, this is how you do it. 3, 2, 1. A flick of the wrist, guys. It's not too hard. 3, 2, 1.